This video is to show you how to help your student log into the Google Classroom for GPS schools. First thing you need to do is open up a web browser. Go to google.com. We go to google.com, you'll see a sign in button in the upper right hand corner. We may click on that. In this case, I've got multiple accounts, so I'm going to use, as an example, my daughter's account. It's going to be first.last at GuthriePS.net. At this point, we're going to click Next. And they should have a password. And that password came to us via their teacher. They sent it home in their packets. I know some teachers have sent it out over their text messaging apps they use for for school. If you don't have either of those, you may email your student's teacher, and see if you can get in contact about their passwords. At this point, once you've entered their password, you should see a change in the upper right-hand corner. It says Google account Lillian Stevens at GuthriePS.net. Obviously, this would be replaced by your student's name. Right next to that letter, you should see a 9-pin box. We're going to click on that, and we should go down to where it says Google Classroom. At that point, you can click on that. It will bring up their Google Classroom. It may ask you whether they're a teacher or student initially. Obviously, we're in students. My daughter's teacher, Miss Davenport, has already made her classroom for her elementary classes, and you may be able to access their classes and their classwork that way.